Besties, how are you? If we are just meeting, welcome. My name is Kathy and this is my puppy Coco. Welcome to my DIY channel where we do a lot of fun projects on a budget. In today's video, we're gonna do one of our favorites, a sunflower wreath. Are you excited? Me too. Let's get started.
So I got this beautiful sign recently at a Dollar Tree. While there, you pick up one of these wreath forms, as well as sunflowers and some baby breath. Deco mesh I recommend getting at a Hobby Lobby. I love this one. It looks like burlap. In addition, we're gonna need color coordinating ribbons. Mine are from Walmart. Lastly, we're gonna need 20 pipe cleaners, 18 for the wreath and 2 to attach the sign. First, we're going to cut our deco mesh, and we're gonna use this sophisticated tool that I have, a 10 by 10 cardboard.
Before we proceed, please make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you're gonna know when I return here with a new video.
All right, let's cut these babies up. We're gonna be cutting 10 by 20 pieces. And it's as easy as that. One roll will give you exactly 18 pieces. That's as many as we need. Coco, say hi to our besties. Hello. Next, we are going to add the ties. And as you know, the wreath has 6 sections. We are going to tie the 2 inner rails in the middle of each section. So that's going to be 6. Now we're going to add the ties to the 2 outer rails. And we're going to put 2 in each section, just like so. That's going to be 12. And here you can pause and see exactly how to do it. 6 ties on the inner and 12 ties on the outer, total of 18. And now we're going to make 18 craffles. It's very easy. You roll your mesh on one end and make a curl, turn it around, and roll the second end about 3 or 4 times. And then you walk your fingers, pinch it together, and make a ruffle. And that's how you get a craffle. Twist tie it twice and make another one. Just like that, very easy. And then you tie it down to the next pipe cleaner. I tie these down in a zigzag motion, up and down as the pipe cleaners go. Some of you might recall that we had done this technique already on our blue truck wreath. So that's all it takes, guys. You just have to make the craffles all around. This is so easy and fun. If you have little helpers, you can get them involved too. My daughter's friend came over in a matching shirt. Can you believe that? Moreover, she has a cell phone with the sunflowers. How perfect, right? So there she is making little curl. And there we go. We have a craffle. And here is the last one. So like I said, 18 craffles. tie it down, and we are done with the deco mesh. How cute that looks. I really like the messy look of it. And what's the best part is that all these edges are curled up and you don't see any fraying. Next, we are going to attach the sign. We have 2 pipe cleaners, 2 pieces of ribbon, and you know how I do it. I put some glue, cover it up with a Band-Aid, just like so, and just add some more glue, make sure it's all secure, and do the same thing on the other side. We are going to use these ties to tie down the sign all the way down to the wire frame. And we're going to push these curls out of the way, because what's the point of having them underneath the sign, right? We want to display them nicely. So just push them out just like so and tie down the sign. You might want to tie it loosely at first, just to make sure you center it. And then you can, of course, tighten it up later on. This is a great sign to have it centered. Oh, come on, Coco. You out already? We gotta finish this up. We're gonna do something different today. I'm gonna cut up all my ribbons in 12-inch pieces, and this is a good trick if you have a 12-inch ruler, or perhaps you cut a piece of cardboard in that size. You just roll it up, 6 strips, and cut on both ends. And simple as that, you have your tails ready. Now we just have to cut the fishtails. I like to fold it in half, and then one more time alongside, cut at an angle, and you have perfect fishtails. And then we repeat the same steps with the other type of ribbon. We will attach these all around the outer circle. We have 12 ties there, right? You probably noticed that I use alternating colors of pipe cleaners. So I'm gonna attach the buffalo check to the green ties and the sunflower ribbon to the yellow ones. I just fold each piece in half to find the midpoint, then pinch it in the middle and make a V shape and tie it down there. Continue all around. It's starting to look cute, yes? And now we're gonna cut apart all the florals. And before we attach the flowers, we're going to cut down all the pipe cleaners. As you're gonna see in a minute, the colors of the pipe cleaners don't really matter because we covered them up anyway with the flowers. So add a generous amount of hot glue at the tip of each flower and place it right there on top of the pipe cleaner. I decided to go with the sunflowers on my sunflower ribbon and with the baby breath on the black and white checkered. I like to add my flowers at slightly different angles. I don't want them all facing one direction. As usual, hang your wreath and take a look at it. As you can see, it's very symmetrical. I like it that way. You might want to leave it. But I'm debating here whether to put a sunflower here on the side or not. And I decide to go for it. But you know, it's up to you because it's very cute as it is. I just want to do something a little bit extra. And this is a bigger sunflower that I had from a previous project. A leaf fell off, so I put that on first. And here I'm gonna attach it. What do you think? I feel like I should bend it a little bit more towards the sign. And now I'm gonna actually add another one right there at a different angle. And maybe one more back there. Do like a little side arrangement there, because you know what? As you notice, there's no bow. No bestie bow in this wreath, guys. It's something different. So this is like a focal point right there instead of the bow. And I really like it that way. What do you think? Just a little cherry on the top, my tiny bee. We are done. Take a look at this. Isn't it beautiful? So much sunshine in one little wreath. Actually, it's not that little. It's quite big. I think it came out beautiful, and I love this color combination. Never gets old for me. The bright yellow with the contrast of black and white, and the neutral burlap color background. I love that. You see, nothing is fraying here. Everything's inside those curls. It's just perfect, and also looks beautiful from every angle. I love that. I just checked the Etsy shop, and that type of handmade wreath would cost you a lot of money, so it's definitely worth making your own. And I don't think I spent more than 15 here. I think it's a perfect wreath for now and all the way until fall. Actually, Thanksgiving, right? Give thanks. I love that sign. Dollar Tree sells another beautiful sunflower sign. You might want to check out my other video to see what I did with it. It's actually just flowers without deco mesh. Also, I decorated my little truck there and made some sunflower centerpieces. So feel free to refer to that video as well. And in the meantime, I have two more quick projects for you here. All Dollar Tree. You're gonna need this wall sticker. It's actually double-sided, so you get two for $1. Two of these collage picture frames. They're about 14 by 7, which is a perfect size. And your favorite background paper. I got this at the scrapbook aisle at Hobby Lobby. First, we are going to open up the frame and cut the paper to size. It's a little bit short, so you're gonna have to cut an extra piece to adjust it, but it's not gonna be visible at all once you put it in the frame. Close it up and gently transfer the sticker to the glass. It's actually a bit too long, so just cut that stem off. Smooth it out, and then you might want to add a couple leaves that you cut off. Why not? And don't forget cute little bees. Okay, let's make one more. You actually get a set here. Cute little bees, and we are done. Look at these beauties. Can you believe we made that? So cheap. They don't look like Dollar Tree, right? I love it. This was only about $4 for two of them. For comparison, a two-piece set at wafer.com would cost you around $50. I know it's better quality, but still, amazing savings. And my last quick project is the sunflower throw pillow that we're gonna make out of just one fabric placemat from a Dollar Tree. If you saw my lemon decor video, you already know what I'm gonna do. But this is such an inexpensive way of coordinating your decor that I have to do this. You're just gonna fold over the corner of your placemat and cut along about 1/2 inch away from it. Just like so. And then you open it up and just stuff it up. Here I have just an old pillow cotton. You can also get a pillow at a Walmart for under $3 and use that. Very inexpensive. And you will have leftovers for many more throw pillows. And once full, you're gonna close it up with hot glue. You basically fold that edge inside from one end and the other and press it together. Just like that, we have such an inexpensive option coordinating pillow with our decor. At first glance, I don't think you can even tell the difference between my pillow and the one at wafer.com, can you? That's great money savings right there.
All right, my besties, so this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you hit the like button. Also, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you're gonna know when I return here with a new video for you, okay? Take care, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.